Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about US Visa Waiver Program 2024. As the clock ticks into 2024, the United States immigration landscape undergoes transformative shifts with the unveiling of significant updates to the Visa Waiver Program. This year, the Department of State has introduced nuanced changes, setting the stage for a comprehensive exploration into the intricacies of these modifications. Furthermore, the extended US Visa Interview Waiver takes center stage, ushering in the 4-8-month rule and a set of criteria that will shape the visa application process throughout 2024 and beyond. Join us on a journey through the evolving landscape of U.S. immigration, where we dissect these pivotal changes, offering insights and clarity to those navigating the paths of study, work, or visitation within the U.S. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The year 2024 has brought substantial modifications to the Visa Waiver Program in the United States, as announced by the Department of State. This video aims to unpack the implications of these changes for individuals intending to study, work, or visit the USA. From the criteria for interview waivers to nuanced details across different visa categories, this video provides a detailed understanding of the updated policy. The Revised Interview Waiver Policy. The Secretary of State, after consultation with the Department of Homeland Security, has identified specific categories of interview waivers deemed to be in the national interest. This policy applies to various non-immigrant visas, including BON and B2 for business and tourism, F&M for students, and HH visas for temporary workers, i.e., key criteria for visa interview waivers. Apply in your country of nationality or residence. Applicants must apply in their country of citizenship or their current country of residence, ensuring a streamlined process for those whose nationalities and places of residence differ. No previous visa refusal. Applicants must not have a history of visa refusals, except in cases where such refusals were later overcome or waived. This video that individuals with past visa denials can still benefit from the waiver if subsequent approvals were obtained. No apparent or potential ineligibility. Applicants should not fall into specific categories that make them ineligible for a visa, such as those with criminal charges or security risks. A comprehensive list of such categories is available on our website. Additional criteria for non-immigrant visa applicants. For all other non-immigrant visa applicants, meeting 2 additional criteria is essential. Possession of any U.S. non-immigrant visa except B. Applicants must hold a non-immigrant visa other than a B visa. The last non-immigrant visa should be current or have expired within the last 4 years. Various scenarios are explored, detailing eligibility based on the expiration date of the last visa. U.S. government discretion and potential changes. Despite meeting the criteria, consular officers retain the authority to request an in-person interview. Additionally, the U.S. government holds the right to modify the policy at any time, with the current implementation expected to persist through the end of 2024. Extended U.S. Visa Interview Waiver, 48-month rule criteria for 2024 beyond. The United States Department of State has recently made a significant announcement regarding the extension of interview waiver options for certain eligible non-immigrant visa applicants. This video, designed to span the entirety of 2024 and beyond, builds upon the success of the waiver program initiated to address the considerable processing delays experienced at U.S. consulates and embassy. Background and extension. Commencing in 2022, the waiver of U.S. visa interviews for specific non-immigrants aimed to streamline the application process for visa categories such as H-1B, H-4, L-1, F-1, and others. This program sought to expedite processing by incorporating a set of online questions, obviating the need for in-person interviews in certain cases. Initially intended to run from January 1, 2022 to December 31, 2022 to December 31, 2020, the program's success prompted an extension until December 31, 2023. The latest announcement now further extends these provisions. Details of the extension: eligible non-immigrant visa categories for in-person interview waiver. The U.S. Department of State, in collaboration with the Department of Homeland Security, maintains consular officers' authority to waive in-person interviews for select visa applicants deemed of national interest. Eligible categories encompass first-time H-2 visa applicants, H-2A, H-2B, other non-immigrant visa applicants across various categories such as HUNEB, F and M visas, international students, J visas, academic exchange visitors, loan visas, intercompany transfers, loan visas, intercompany transfers, own visas, intercompany transfers, He visas, athletes, entertainers, Kivas, entertainers, Kivas, entertainers, Kiv, cultural exchange program participants, and qualifying dependents. 48-month rule for interview waiver renewal. For applicants seeking renewal within 48 months of the visa's expiry in the same category, the interview waiver or drop box remains available, excluding certain visa types like blanket loan. This rule encompasses most visa categories, ensuring a streamlined renewal process. 48-month rule for applying in a different visa category. A novel rule permits non-immigrant visa applicants applying in a different category to receive an interview waiver if they meet specific criteria. 1. Previously held a US visa in any non-immigrant classification, except Boner B2 visas. 2. Applying within 48 months from the expiration of the most recent US visa. This provision facilitates a smooth transition between visa categories provided applicants meet the outlined criteria. Duration of the 48-month interview waiver rule. Effective from January 1, 2024, the 48-month interview waiver rule for applicants in different visa categories will persist throughout 2024. This rule will remain in effect until further notice and undergo annual reviews. General requirements for interview waiver. Applicants seeking interview waivers must fulfill specific criteria. 1. Applying in their country of residence or nationality. 2. No prior U.S. visa refusals without subsequent approval or resolution. 3. No apparent or potential ineligibility for a U.S. visa. However, it's essential to note that the discretion of the U.S. consular officer remains intact. They may require an in-person interview despite applicants meeting the waiver criteria. This video navigates the extended U.S. Visa Interview Waiver, providing clarity on the 48-month rule and criteria applicable in 2024 and beyond. Understanding these nuances empowers visa applicants to make informed decisions in a rapidly evolving immigration landscape. As we conclude through the 2024 Visa Waiver Program and the extended U.S. Visa Interview Waiver, it becomes apparent that this year marks a defining chapter in the ever-evolving narrative of U.S. immigration policy. The intricate details of the 48-month rule and the outlined criteria present challenges and opportunities alike. Armed with this knowledge, individuals can approach their visa applications with confidence, understanding the dynamic contours of the regulations governing their journey. May the insights gained here guide you in making informed decisions, fostering a future that embraces diversity, fairness, and shared aspirations for a better tomorrow within the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about US Visa Waiver Program 2024. In 2024, the United States has implemented significant updates to its Visa Waiver Program, marking a pivotal shift in its immigration landscape. The Department of State has introduced nuanced changes aimed at enhancing the visa application process, with a spotlight on the extended US Visa Interview Waiver and the newly introduced 48-month rule. The Revised Interview Waiver Policy, crafted in consultation with the Department of Homeland Security, identifies specific non-immigrant visa categories eligible for interview waivers. These include visas for business B1, B2, tourism, students F&M, and temporary worker H visas. Applicants must apply in their country of citizenship or residence, have no history of visa refusals without subsequent approval, and must not appear ineligible due to factors like criminal records. The extended US Visa Interview Waiver expands upon the initial success of the program launched in 2022, initially scheduled to run until December 2023, but now extended into 2024. This extension aims to streamline visa processing for categories such as H1B, F1, L1, and others by allowing waivers based on a set of online questions instead of in-person interviews. Key components of the 48-month rule allow eligible applicants to renew visas or switch categories within 48 months of their previous visa expiration without a new interview, promoting efficiency and reducing consulate workload. This rule applies broadly across most visa types except for specific exclusions like blanket L1 visas. While these updates provide clarity and efficiency for visa applicants, the discretion of US consular officers remain pivotal, allowing them to request interviews as deemed necessary. Understanding these nuances empowers individuals navigating the US immigration system, ensuring compliance with evolving regulations while seizing opportunities for travel, study, or work within the United States.